Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and this is going to be a new series called 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And so every day I'll have a mini flow for you guys to follow, and it'll be designed so that you can sequence different videos together and make your own yoga sequence. So today we are going to be focusing on centering ourselves, and the only thing you'll need is your mat and possibly a blanket or a block or a meditation pillow if you have one, and grab those items and we'll get started. So we are going to start in a seated position, so you can sit flat on the floor if you'd like with your legs crossed, or if you'd like to have them in a bound angle position, you can bring the bottoms of your feet together and then your knees will come out. So either one of those is fine. And if you want to elevate the hips, you can grab your blanket or your block or your meditation pillow, and you can put it underneath you just to help you sit a little bit higher. So your knees will be under or lower than your hips. So once you get situated, just find a comfortable seat. You may want to rock around a little bit, see if you can get grounded. Your hips on the floor or on the bolster or on the blanket. And your hands can rest on your knees or on your thighs, wherever they feel comfortable right now. And so we're just going to take a minute to notice the surroundings that we're in. So if you're in a room, you may notice, things around you. So your chairs, your bed, your ceiling fan, your carpet, your floors, your kitchen, any area around you, just kind of notice where you are. And if you're outside, you may notice the sky, you may notice the grass, the cars, the people. Just kind of take a minute to notice your surroundings and kind of take in what's around you. And after you've done that, we'll allow the eyes to close gently. Now for the remainder of this practice, you have the option of keeping the hands on the knees with the palms face down on the knee, or you can turn the palms up and just have the palms open, just kind of representing you being open to receive the aura around you or the energy around you. And from here, we're going to take 3 deep breaths in and out of the nose. So when you're ready, let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And so our next breathing exercise is going to be counting our breaths. So we're going to do the same thing, inhaling and exhaling out of the nose, except this time we're going to count for the count of 4. So when you're ready, we'll inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath at the top. And then exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath at the bottom. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. Last time, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. And then return back to your normal breathing pattern. Maybe take a moment to notice how you feel after that breathing exercise. maybe as opposed to how you felt when you first sat down on your mat. And then from here, we'll allow the eyes to gently open just for a second. And while you're here, I want you to take notice of your surroundings again, really take in the details of the things around you, the colors, any aromas. So maybe you have food cooking, or maybe you have an oil diffuser. Just taking in the things around you. And this time when we close our eyes, I want you to reimagine your surroundings, just to ground you in this moment. So allow the eyes to gently close again, and see if you can recall the things around you, the aura that you've built, the smells that you smelled. So maybe you smell lavender in the oil diffuser, or maybe you smell the aroma of the food that you have prepared, or maybe you recall the color of your couch, the color of your chairs, the color of your bed. Maybe you recall the pictures that you have hanging up. If you're outside, maybe you recall the sound of the birds, the sound of people walking by, the sound of cars, the sound of busyness around you. Maybe you recall the color of the grass, the sky. Just see if you can paint a picture in your mind of what's going on around you. And then we'll slowly bring our attention back to our breath. So just noticing how we're breathing, noticing the inhales and the exhales. And then we'll end our centering practice with 3 more deep breaths. This time we're going to inhale through the nose and exhale out of the mouth, kind of letting out a sigh. So when you're ready, let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. From here, you can allow the eyes to gently open and bring yourself back into the space. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this first video from the 30 Days of Yoga series. This is meant to help you to center yourself before every practice. So think about doing this before you sit down to do another sequence that I will prepare. So this will help you to get into the moment, get into the space, and get into the mindset of doing the flows and doing the poses, doing the sequences, and just having that time for self-care for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video.